Please be seated. Let us listen to the welcome address of Miss Nicole Lustre with high honors.
True success is not measured by certificates or medals, but by the courage to rise after every fall and the strength to keep moving forward despite every challenge. To our distinguished school superintendent, Sir Gildo G. Musqueda, CAO 6, our respected school principal, Sir Martin I. Diaz, Principal 3, our assistant to the principal, Sir Lloyd A. Delayap, our assistant principal for the junior high school, Ma'am Esther M. Yuliaran, our senior high school academic coordinator, Ma'am Marisa D. Uy, our guest of honor and speaker, our dedicated teachers and staff, our dearest parents, and to you, my co-graduating students, a pleasant morning. It is my profound honor to stand before you today and welcome you all for the ninth commencement exercises of our beloved Tacorong National High School. This is a moment woven with pride, memories, and dreams finally taking shape. 2 years ago, we walked through our school as grade 11 students, carrying uncertainties in our hearts and hope quietly tucked within our souls. We did not know what awaited us, only that we were willing to try. As the saying goes, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. And indeed, it was courage that brought us here today. There were days when the path felt too heavy, when lessons overwhelmed us, when seemed too short, and when doubt echoed louder than confidence. We faced failures that made us question our worth, and struggles that tested the limits of our strength. Yet, within those moments, something beautiful was unfolding. For it is true that stars shine brightest in the darkest nights, and it was in our hardest days that we discovered who we truly are. Today, we stand not just as a graduating grade 12 students, but as individuals shaped by perseverance, molded by challenges, and strengthened by faith. We are living stories of resilience, proof that even the most uncertain beginnings can lead to meaningful endings. As another quote reminds us, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. And today, we stand on the threshold of that future. To my fellow graduates, we share a bond that time cannot erase. Within those halls, we found laughter in the simplest moments, strength in each other during the hardest times, and memories that will forever echo in our hearts. We were once strangers walking the same corridors. Now, we live as individuals connected by a journey only we can truly understand. As we stand here at the turning point of our lives, may we hold on to everything Tacorong National High School has taught us, not just the lessons written in books, but the silent lessons of courage, patience, and hope. Because one day, when life leads us to different paths and distant places, we will look back to this very moment not just as a memory, but as the beginning of who we became. This is more than just a celebration. This is a quiet goodbye to the days that shaped us. This is a gentle step toward the dreams that await us. And in this very moment, we realize we were once dreamers who were afraid to begin. And now, we are dreamers who are finally ready to fly. Because this is not the end. This is only the beginning. Once again, Welcome to the 9th commencement exercises of our beloved Tacorong National High School. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you, Nicole. To give us the opening message, please welcome Sir Lloyd A. Dalaya, PhD, Assistant to the Principal for Senior High School.
My respect and courtesy to our school superintendent, Sir Hildo G. Mosqueda, CEO 6, to our education program supervisor, Sir Cesar Q. Antolin, to our SGC president, Pastor Bugador, to our Guidance Services Head, Sir Kiriko Patilaran, to our former principal, Sir Freddy Delantar, to our keynote speaker that will be introduced later, sir. Of course, to our dearest school principal, Sir Martin Diaz, to my partner, Ma'am Esther Yuliaran, to our academic coordinators, both in junior and senior high school, Ma'am Marisa Oy, and Ma'am Jean Fermin, master teachers, teaching and non-teaching personnel, fellow government employees, dear financiers, parents, guardians, and relatives who are here, especially to our dear graduates. Good morning. Are you happy? You have done the 77% of achievement. Sinong masaya? Taas ang kamay. May 77 na grado. Taas ang kamay. Wala. Dear parents, financiers, guardians, sino ang masaya na may 77 ng grado ngayon? Parang wala. That is why maybe we need remediation. Titingnan natin mamaya. Baka papalakpakan nyo ang 77 na grado. Okay. We can choose. You can choose your own quadrant. Okay? You are now diamonds. Member, diamonds. By way of this quadrant, saan ba tayo pwede? If it will entails IQ and EQ. Okay, yung pinakataas, sinasabi natin, high ang IQ, high ang EQ. Yung sa gitna naman ay high ang IQ, low ang EQ. And vice versa sa kabilang quadrant, low ang IQ, high ang EQ. Ang sa dulo naman, sa baba ay low ang IQ, low ang EQ. Yung sa taas, that is equivalent to high adversity quotient. Yung nasa gitna, yung may interchange na may isang high at may isang low, that is average ang adversity quotient. Pagdating naman sa baba, Yung low ang IQ, low din ang EQ, low ang kanyang adversity quotient. So this time, you can now think of your quadrant. Saan ba ako dito? And this is a challenge. Before I forget, we thanks God for this wonderful celebration. A celebration of your success, your graduation. By your hard work, perseverance, you achieve your basic education. This will not be possible without the support, again, by your financiers, by your guardians, parents, and relatives. Palakpakan po natin sila. As stated by Bertrand Russell, do not feel certain of anything. Walang klarong ikaw na ang pinakamagaling. Walang klarong ikaw na ang pinakamahina. This time, you are included in the diamond. Okay? That is why you have the 77% of your education. Divide 17 times 100. And you have your score 77%. Sino ang masaya ngayon sa 77%? Your graduation contains, even throughout Philippines, you have 77% if our highest is 17 years in education. So 77. That is why our appeal to the financiers, parents, and guardians, tulungan natin ang mga bata na mag-remediate dahil hindi pa full yung kanilang talents and skills. Naintindihan nyo na? Pwede nyo kunin ang inyong mga cellphones and isolve ninyo. Your K-12 ends now. That is 13 years. And another 4 years for your college. 13 divide 17 times 100, that your grades now is 77%. So masaya kayo with your 77%? Sino masaya? Parents, sino masaya? Okay, very good. So once again, congratulations. Good morning to all of us.
Thank you, sir. At this moment, let us listen to the video message of our Department of Education Secretary, Mr. Juan Edgardo Sani Angara. Let's watch this.
Congratulations po sa lahat ng ating mga gumagraduate o nagtatapos ngayong araw. Siyempre sa inyong mga pamilya, mga kaibigan, mga kaeskwela, at siyempre sa mga nagturo sa inyo, ang inyong mga guro, mga principals, and teaching staff. Salamat din po sa inyo. Alam namin maraming kwento ng sakripisyo, hindi lang ng inyong mga sarili, kundi yung mga tumulong po sa inyo. So, susunod na kayo sa susunod na yugto ng inyong buhay, and we wish you luck. Kami lahat sa department, we're rooting for you. We're very proud of you. At alalahanin lagi na maging bukas sa bagong knowledge, sa pagtuto, sa bagong mga pamamaraan, other ways of learning. So definitely, para maging matagumpay sa buhay, kailangan lifelong learners po tayo. So congratulations muli mula sa amin sa DepEd family, sa inyong pamilya. Kami natutuwa dito sa inyong pagtapos. At sana'y di kayo magsawa sa inyong learning journey at patuloy ang inyong pagtagumpay sa buhay. So God bless. Mabuhay po kayo.
Thank you very much, Secretary Angara. Like a kite learning to soar, may our graduates be ready to face the future with heart steady and spirit secure. At this moment, let us listen to the graduates in their inspirational song titled Sarangola by Ben and Ben.
Nice one. Saan man hipan ng aming amihan.
Ipagpabalita, pagkakaibigan.
Salamat sa ating pinagsamahan.
Ipagpabalita, pagkakaibigan.
Sa pader ng kalamitan, alam na nga ba sa ating nakaraan? Saan man tayo, iba ng amihan. Ipagpabalita, pagkakaibigan. Sarang kulay nilipad sa pader ng kalamitan, alam na lang ba sa ating nakaraan? Saan man tayo, iba ng amihan. Ipagpabalita, pagkakaibigan. Sarang bulan, dahil ang kulay ng kalangitan. Sarang bulan,
Lilipad na.
Thank you, graduates. To do the honor of presenting this year's graduates is Sir Martin I. Diaz, Principal 3, to be followed by the confirmation of the candidates for graduation by Sir Hildo G. Mosqueda, CO 6.
Magandang umaga sa lahat. To our Schools Division Superintendent of the City Schools Division of Tacorong, Sir Hildo G. Mosqueda. Sir, as the principal of Tacorong National High School, I, Martin Indico Diaz, have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of school year 2025 and 2026. From the industrial arts under automotive servicing, there are 71 boys and 2 girls with a total of 73. From the industrial arts strand under electrical installation and maintenance, we have 52 boys and 8 girls with a total of 60. From the home economics strand, we have 29 boys and 73 girls with a total of 102. From the information and communication technology strand, we have 112 boys and 100 girls with a total of 212. From the humanities and social sciences strand, we have 72 boys and 99 girls with a total of 171. From the accountancy, business, and management strand, we have 34 boys and 70 girls with a total of 104. And from the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics strand, we have 59 boys and 109 girls with a total of 168. In total, there are 429 boys and 461 girls, making an overall total of 890 grade 12 students candidates for graduation. After scrutiny of the requirements submitted in my office, I have found that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation. I therefore certify that these candidates for graduation have fully satisfied the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the Senior high school curriculum. Sir, they are now ready for your confirmation.
On the basis of the certification of your principal that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the curriculum for senior high school prescribed by the Department of Education, and by virtue of the authority vested in me as the Schools Division Superintendent of the City Schools Division of Tacurong, I now confirm your graduation from senior high school at Tacurong National High School, school year 2025-2026. You will now receive your certificates of graduation. My warmest congratulations.
We will now distribute the diploma of our graduates together with Sir Cesar Antolin, Education Program Supervisor, to be assisted by Sir Martin I. Diaz, Principal 3, Ma'am Esther M. Yuliran, Assistant Principal 2, Sir Lloyd A. Dalaya, PhD, Assistant to the Principal for Senior High School, Mama Risa D. Old, Senior High School Academic Coordinator, Ma'am Maricris C. Escanio, School Registrar, and the Grade 12 Advisors and Strand Heads.
Check.
Domingo Koji John Tolentino with high honors.
Ducando Angela Yato with high honors.
Victorino Joshua Moreno with honors.
De la Cruz Helena Nicole Basea with high honors.
Balayana Naisan Faisal Amir Mangulamas with honors.
Lustre Nicole Digna Dice with high honors.
Andaya Giancarlo Makilala with high honors.
Kani Laiha Jane Alamada with high honors.
Mustafa Amir Hussein Sarin with honors.
Agon Krisha Juliana Lasibal with highest honors.
Ligtawa Prince Emmy Salanap with honors.
Abuakan Blesha Mary Landaya with high honors.
Enriquez Kirk Errol Lorenzo with high honors.
Aligonero Crisel Jade Melesio with high honors.
Escosura Christian Harvey Celeste with high honors.
Aujera Princess Saivel Luce with high honors.
Gaurana Nathaniel Caballero with high honors.
Bicoda Sheena Grace Francisco with high honors.
Gonzaga John Barry Ortizo with high honors.
Roques Angel Taisel Dayon with high honors.
Gonzales Vince Ivan Vargas with high honors.
Espeja Trisha May Pamposa with high honors.
Milano Jairus Benedict Villa with high honors.
Herbolario Irish with high honors.
Pasandalan Yusuf Salik Canapia with high honors.
Hizon Hermie Aureliano with high honors.
Ahmad Ralph Jester Vigno with honors.
Hustle Quincy Jane Parcon with high honors.
Alamon Keith Rainier Solania with honors.
Kitab Norjana Kabugatan with high honors.
Balbin Michael Anthony Lozarita with honors.
Lamera Rotildon Subaldo with high honors.
Valyadaras Ethan Matthew Hanolino with honors.
Legas Catherine Joy Santiago with high honors.
Basisto Jillian Mar Carcesto with honors.
Mendoza Daniela Marchan de la Cruz with high honors.
Baby John Billy Soriano with honors.
Miguel Micaela Nietzsche with high honors.
Kabundukan James Ryan Carama with honors.
Morao Zaira Lois Jovenal with high honors.
Calderon John Robert Castillon with honors.
Moreno Rochelle May Ventilacion with high honors.
Calibuso John Terence Valenzuela with honors.
Nobleza Julia Cristel Joy Siran with high honors.
Canoza Tristan J. Distor with honors.
Babilona Jessica Rose Langa with high honors.
Cruzada Michael Angelo Gudaca with honors.
Pamposa Antoinette Rain Aniversario with high honors.
Kudal Wiljan Elisan with honors.
Panturilla Cheska Adri Lasanas with high honors.
Kumadog Abdul Wajin Latip with honors.
Shautong Viomi Chain Rafanan with high honors.
De Luna John Patrick Percasio with honors.
Suyat April Kyle Masbate with high honors.
De Feria Adrian Indiosco with honors.
Aligonero Crizel Joy Milesio with honors.
De la Calzada Naphtali Dikin with honors.
Alinaniera Glipsino Niala with honors.
Delantar Janus Alfred Agresada with honors.
Almerante Kirstine Lian Balolong with honors.
De Ocampo Alster Lori Padilla with honors.
Anila Krishna Marquez with honors.
Elumba Mark Rainier Mejias with honors.
Ariliano Angel Ann Reyes with honors.
Enrique Prince Elrio Aligarbes with honors.
Asoy Jovelyn Cordova with honors.
Espino John Daniel Paba with honors.
Bagares Princess Mika Berina with honors.
Garcia Kyle Andri Gacuya with honors.
Barcelona Stephanie Gwen Chavez with honors.
Dialogo John Andrew Valero with honors.
Marido Celine Natasha Gubak with honors.
Gonzaga Pio Giles Magbanwa with honors.
Belizar Catherine Flores with honors.
Achuela Prince Joros Lim with honors.
Belngan Rachel May Abrio with honors.
Chinong Nicolas Dave Banyas with honors.
Bermejo Samantha Jean Dakil with honors.
Hara Janelle Klein Gonzalez with honors.
Betalak Amira Partisala with honors.
Fuelo Christian Anthony Murillo with honors.
Bugador Kisha Riaya Alquiza with honors.
Lilia Rashid Amas with honors.
Bolik Alexi Queen Serrano with honors.
Loxi Nerua John Agreda with honors.
Bombita French Ria Nuto with honors.
Mambo John Sager Talming with honors.
Cabanyog Daniela May Alensurin with honors.
Montero Troy Gabarles with honors.
Kabuga Andrea Gail Chavez with honors.
Nolan Charles Philip Buncalan with honors.
Cagas Ruth Ashley Donato with honors.
Honor Lawrence Ivan de la Peña with honors.
Kalaiko Zoe Andrea Jade Sudusta with honors.
Pascual Lawrence Trabago with honors.
Carado Lauren Jade Ayuban with honors.
Pocelero Charles Panadero with honors.
Castilianes Jasmine Hiron with honors.
Pugoy Carlo Maglasang with honors.
Kayunda Alea Eileen Fuentes with honors.
Ribaula Marco Tugalon with honors.
Tanoy Alea Ledesma with honors.
Rendon Jr. Raymond Matangan with honors.
Dedicaturia Micaela Vigno with honors.
Runya Renzo Rosdale Mendoza with honors.
De la Cruz Jollifer Morgan with honors.
Salvador Kian Chris Lambare with honors.
Delmo Maria Angelica with honors.
Sanday John Ed Adam Abada with honors.
Descarial Marian Bustamante with honors.
Sarcahoga Gio Bendicho with honors.
Diaz Alia Christine Lorenzo with honors.
Sismundo John Ryan Bascos with honors.
Duca Princess Marcelado with honors.
Sugilyon Prince Ashley Morcillas with honors.
Dumaging Bethel Chen Katbagan with honors.
Talyodar Lee Sayrak Carcillar with honors.
Duque Beatriz Leija May Santos with honors.
Tudlas Raul Jr. Fubar with honors.
Duya Joran May Casimina with honors.
Ugalingan Dato Jomardan Castro with honors.
Edar Jovelea May Jimeno with honors.
Oy Jos Ronald Haneva with honors.
Stanislao Maui Caril Hanoto with honors.
Yasin Shan Harris Gose with honors.
Europa Micaela Jean Panes with honors.
Lepura Anthony Carl Lihongoy with high honors.
Fernandez Hannah Paula Sareno with honors.
Mortera Ralph Vincent Ponciano with high honors.
Galgo Shalamain Lanes with honors.
Ali Fran St. Jedzer Tungkay with honors.
Galmak Ashanti Jane Lumambas with honors.
Atay Adrian Odin with honors.
Hepes Haynes Chloe Corpus with honors.
Kapaho Ralph Romer Maderna with honors.
Hepes Laika Asong with honors.
De Leon Alejandre Vargas with honors.
Hesta Angelo Dagio with honors.
Ejercito Kim Luce with honors.
Gonzalez Sharon Zandrilon with honors.
Jordan Sean James Luis Rona with honors.
Ibasco Joan Faith with honors.
Wario John Ray Caro with honors.
Elisan BJ Angel Casuyon with honors.
Abing Julian Louis Ori.
Inventor Janine Pineda with honors.
Kawai Masayoshi Panigua with honors.
Japones Althea Ayer Salazar with honors.
Naranjo Benz Lloyd Gabin with honors.
Lazarito Alea K. Pedroso with honors.
Navarro J. Mark Latap with honors.
Legaspi Hannah Krisha Bumatay with honors.
Rabot Brainer James Velasquez with honors.
Larita Venice Arabel Aradanas with honors.
Subaldo Arnold Valencia with honors.
Magbanwa Sherlane Ponce with honors.
Suerte Van Leonard Basid with honors.
Masangay Rika Shane Brazal with honors.
Salamor Jezreel Dave Paco with honors.
Matabang Kizi Bitalak with honors.
Vicente Rindizal Salazar with honors.
Maulana Noraisa Usop with honors.
Abdullah Clint Sahid Salili.
Miranda Athen Grace Sakalian with honors.
Abadia Arcel de la Cruz.
Mirasol Kezea Sotelo with honors.
Butacan Jaire Marcelino.
Mosqueda Jastriel de Fonturo with honors.
Casas Dennis Fabular.
Muanya Jana Krisha S. Clabanan with honors.
Catalan Prince Cedric Nangkas.
Nareto Sofia Marie Lopez with honors.
Donasco Kent Bernal Labanon.
Obra Stephanie Reed with honors.
Esmana Darwin Tambon.
Osorio Kathleen Balasa with honors.
Prahata Luis Daryl Bernardo.
Padua Julian Criza Maliga with honors.
Gabales Sean Gabriel Medel.
Palaka Dina Labore with honors.
Henta Mactahar Omar.
Palme Shine Palyado with honors.
Pedroso Herrick John Caro.
Pantila Clebishela Basilio with honors.
Rosal Crisdave Cervantes.
Peñafiel Chelsea Tihing with honors.
Sardoma Julian Neal Piñas.
Perez Laika Gonzaga with honors.
Defontorum John Michael Militante.
Ramos Lea Mays Baroga with honors.
Ibasco Quil Arol Castor.
Repal Lucky Shane Bantilan with honors.
Abelia Ian Lawrence Distor with honors.
Sabiniano Krista Hemily Hizon with honors.
Akutan Scarlett Jane Aries with honors.
Sakamay Christine Pearl Areno with honors.
Almirante Denzel Fuentes with honors.
Salvador Mary Hart Arcilia with honors.
Aprosta Gerald Mallorca with honors.
San Felix Jade Biril Estemada with honors.
Arandilia Hamad Albania with honors.
Sebetero Janila Godenes with honors.
Arias Benjamin II Vargas with honors.
Sim Kyra Lagliva with honors.
Bermudo Thomas Gonzalez with honors.
Senangote Antonica Pama with honors.
Merondo Glenn John Teodoro with honors.
Sonza Christina Kyla Barquilia with honors.
Petita Evan Jules Achuela with honors.
Soropia Kimberly Arellano with honors.
Kalumag Ademar Cabaya with honors.
Talbo Avana Charmel Sodosta with honors.
Masaysay Jared Joy de Maalaw with honors.
Terado Jolly Rose Aduca with honors.
Servas Carl Johnson Pineda with honors.
Tupas Althea Marina Ares with honors. Servas Feb Brian Mendoza with honors.
Uto Princess Genta with honors.
Servas Prince J.M. Panganiton with honors.
Valdez Angeline Grace Pacaonces with honors.
Dabuan Earl Justin Folgor with honors.
Vergara Angel Miles Suan with honors.
Dalayap Kian Lorenzo with honors.
Vidal Periphery Pande with honors.
Del Solor Rainiel Del Solor with honors.
Zakaria Bayhaira Sanggutin with honors.
Escabarde Ezequiel Sorbito with honors.
Ala Clarice Jane Arellano with high honors.
Gonzaga Andre Van Poblacion with honors.
Bailan by City Aisha Karim with high honors.
Ilagison Embertan Honorio with honors.
Quasito Irvi Jane Cornell with high honors.
Data Alexander Luis Paha with honors.
Devekais Ashley Erich Aduana with high honors.
Yuno Van Dominic Miranda with honors.
Derangaron City Aisha Haji Hamid with high honors.
Lozada Troy Angelo Literal with honors.
Lazaraga Leia Danela Della with high honors.
Magno Stephen Daguok with honors.
Mustafa Hasana Sarip with high honors.
Mercado Giancarlo Pistaño with honors. Bunsirat Kyle Adrian Kuya with honors.
Tamayo Chona Chris Gumugda with high honors.
Nalios Fritz MJ Lustina with honors.
Zerudo Rivenchoy Raot with high honors.
Palabrica Xavier Clive Larios with honors.
Abad Alhunreme Mitsapak with honors.
Palwa Andre Brian Martizano with honors.
Asoka May Cable Semoba with honors.
Pasutan Saudi Ampatuan with honors.
Baganian Rowan Ismael with honors.
Praire Gabriel Cedric Bilbao with honors.
Baroquillo Carla Siva with honors.
Pasutan Saudi Ampatuan with honors.
Baroquillo Mary Jane Herrera with honors.
Praire Gabriel Cedric Bilbao with honors.
Betalak Analisa Polonan with honors.
Ripal Jenshen Rubin with honors.
Billones Chea Angos with honors.
Sangki Selwyn Isaac Oliveros with honors.
Boladas Edspe Villanueva with honors.
Sema Basir Mukamad with honors.
Volante Camela Caspillan with honors.
Celia Daniel J. Dave Gorgor with honors.
Boris Regine de Guzman with honors.
Simbaan Jewel with honors.
Brazel Lea Faith de la Cruz with honors.
Sumail Norjamir Muna with honors.
Bocaneg Rona Jean Cercedillo with honors.
Uday Aljade Aquino with honors.
Buenafe Laika Moyle with honors.
Abeto Jeremy Dayon.
Dansalan Hasmin Adas with honors.
Aziz Alcair Makadaya.
Dativo Mary Faye Evacuado with honors.
Bautista Kevin Rodriguez.
De Los Santos Altea Charmin Asenya with honors.
Bidua Christian J. Gabin.
Dulay Princess Shi Lial with honors.
Bosho Christian J. Dave Abismo.
Fernandez Abigail Corpus with honors.
Gagil Jasper Dane Alzama Baluan.
Fortuna Jillian Rees Palek with honors.
Garbo Rainier James Medios.
Galindo Jamaica May Heradura with honors.
Ligario John Gilbert Pama.
Heron Angel Dines Fernando with honors.
Magonsha Gian Carlos Ortiga.
Gilapay Fabi Hart Rosing with honors.
Moiko Zetbone Louis Balijong.
Yaman Ken Cyril Lebanon with honors.
Uranza Christian Azias Pigarrido.
Jade Dayan K. Pedregosa with honors.
Perez Courtney Poblacion.
Ko Pretty Fräulein Tayuan with honors.
Pulido Christian Ferrer.
Kompanya Amna Nor Ula with honors.
Sesuelos Arnie Kurt Landero.
Lumenda Marjana Matiman with honors.
Tagadia Joros Balunga.
Maghari Rosemary Libardo with honors.
Veloso JVT.
Magsipok Princess Jumila Natok with honors.
Abdul Aljamir Malinaw.
Maranga Hazel Gwen Villanueva with honors.
Abikibel Arnel Hamura.
Obeja Trisha Faye Fermo with honors.
Brillantes Ruel Jr. Arong.
Ochia Junaline Digno with honors.
Del Solor Kier Pilaes.
Palmes Akisa Era Quizon with honors.
Fajardo Reggie Kyle.
Marcon Crian May Arancilio with honors.
Mamalinta Jalil Ismael.
Piliado Chadirin Palma with honors.
Ramos Amaruzon Rumbawa.
Fraico Francine Zonza with honors.
Sanchez Jerome Corpus.
Radam Maven Maskilan with honors.
Tuan Bonbon Marot.
Ronquillo Queenie Angel Galoso with honors.
Abeles Aljun Flores.
Salocana Micaela Nicole Diantan with honors.
Publico Rafi Espuertas.
Sa Onoy Juana Caril Amascual with honors.
Kabil Hamir Apit.
Sapal Juana Manigpol with honors.
Caracol Manny II Ancheta.
Taborada Catricia Marie Saldana with honors.
Ligarda Christian Jade Balano.
Taborede Rizant Tuanga with honors.
Makasayon Ruth Sumido.
Chodosho Jean Sujette Abarientos with honors.
Musa Al Normin Dagandangan.
Villamor Crystal Agad with honors.
Romualdo Carl Cedric Castro.
Villan Hana Canto with honors.
Longno Terence Jan Mandik with high honors.
Villanueva Shine Amari Daras with honors.
Apante Stephen Jan Neri with honors.
Baba Diana May Rodrigo.
Alabata Aser J. Hilario with honors.
Bucanig Rica Jean Sir Cedilio.
Aloro Christian J. Serono with honors.
Lawian Sandilav Diguma.
Ayob Nurhodin Salik with honors.
Villa Jasmine Bayona.
Barantanan Jonwin Guerrero with honors.
Alayon Eileen Magtubo.
Barcina Jesus III Peralta with honors.
Arenga Faith Grace Limuas.
Basian Mosli Junior Quesada with honors.
Banias Desami Karumba.
Bautista Bobby Junior Esteban with honors.
Isla Robbie Queen Amor.
Bilbao Rubin Paul Escosa with honors.
Panalangin Baby Jehan Sulaiman.
Bonita Riel Cordoba with honors.
Pirante Laika Roja.
Kalansa Jinel Kyle Notorio with honors.
Talipasan Fahima Lukman.
Carino Franz Elijah Anipan with honors.
De la Cruz Crystal Jade with high honors.
Servas Vince Ernest Espino with honors.
Pascua Hershimiel Vera with high honors.
Cordero Jan Rodolph Suyat with honors.
Salinas Farah Pearl Martinez with high honors.
Corpus James Leo Vino with honors.
Agawad Shaina Camille Pandoy with honors.
Corpus Rian Carl Lamorin with honors.
Akoy Ashifa Walanda with honors.
Quarisma Kent Lander Tiatson with honors.
Ali Sheka Chulaisa Gampong with honors.
Dalandas Ejan Musa with honors.
Bakas Ivy Moico with honors.
Dalandas Ejan Musa with honors.
Baladsikan Chihaina Gagil with honors.
Dalgan Raha Abdullah with honors.
Balyaran Rayan May Cortez with honors.
Damo Shane Gabriel Robrico with honors.
Bantilan Noraisa Alay with honors.
Dayaday RB Villamarzo with honors.
Mascarinia Elena May Ladrido.
The Baudin Day Boston with honors.
Lebas Tahira Nor Kasan.
Diaz Sasna Ozil Berhome with honors.
Barber Nashrain Magon with honors.
Dimalanas Dato Zahir Alamada with honors.
Billones Precious Angel May Navarro with honors.
Doloho Jidrick Malakad with honors.
Bonita Micaela Cordova with honors.
Doloho Gianmarco Ibanez with honors.
Brasileño Abigail Galino with honors.
Ipalnan Ibrahim T with honors.
Bulahan Sofia Ashley Vicente with honors.
Ilian Tomas Jefferson Diagio with honors.
Camacho Michelle de los Santos with honors.
Galliga Samuel Wayne Castañares with honors.
Kanaya Mary Noreen Bautista with honors.
Gamit Jericho Labariti with honors.
Caños Maria Eliza Shane Villavicencio with honors.
Gutierrez Erickson James Sarino with honors.
Karian Trisha Nicole Florida with honors.
Hoyong Shanre de la Cruz with honors.
Corpus Lani Dalulos with honors.
Kabugatan GR Gayo with honors.
Dalaten Patricia Domeng with honors.
Laruan Michael Jan Sinapal with honors.
Dancel Jerilyn Gaco with honors.
Labalye Ryan Jr. Malyo with honors.
Dardo Mary Rose Simoba with honors.
Lipora Lord John Maverick Dala with honors.
Diferia Jasmine Dalumpines with